select 3D sketch. This is very important, 3D sketch. Select 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point here. Select escape. Select this point here, hold Control key at the keyboard, select this point here, and make them along Z, with Z parameter. Same with these 2 points. Select this point, hold Control key at the keyboard, select this point here, and make them along Z. Select this point, hold Control key at the keyboard, select this point here, and make them along the X. Same with these 2 points, hold Control key at the keyboard, select along X, and select OK. Now, Smart Dimension. I know that from this point to this point here, in the datasheet, from this point to this point is 20. So divide by 2 is 10. So type 10 here. From this point to this point is 15.4. Select escape. Select Smart Dimension. From this point to this point here is 15.4. Divide by 2. Enter.